Light its fire. The hideous sippleback is extra tricky. One head breathes gas, the other head lights it. Your job is to know which is which.
Razor-sharp serrated teeth that inject venom for pre-digestion. Prefers ambush attack, crushing its victims.
Will you please stop that?
If that dragon shows either of his faces, I'm gonna... There!
Hey! It's us, idiots!
Your butts are getting bigger. We thought you were a dragon.
Not that there's anything wrong with a dragon-esque figure.
Wait.
Oh, I'm hurt! I am very much hurt!
Chances of survival are dwindling into single digits now.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, wrong head.
Fish legs! No, Hiccup!
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Hiccup!
Back! Now, don't you make me tell you again. Yes, that's right. Back into your cage. Now think about what you've done.
Get down!
Did you get her? That thing has wings. Okay, let's see if it can use them.
Today, my boy becomes a Viking. Today, he becomes one of us!
Be careful with that dragon.
It's not the dragon I'm worried about.
What are you gonna do?
Put an end to this. I have to try. Astrid, if something goes wrong, just make sure they don't find Toothless.
I will. Just promise me it won't go wrong.
It's time, Hiccup. Knock him dead.
I would have gone for the hammer.
I'm ready.
What is he doing?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not one of them.
What's that guy? Stop the fight.
No! I need you all to see this. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Thank you for summing that up. Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I don't know. I couldn't.
That's not an answer.
Why is this so important to you all of a sudden?
Because I want to remember what you say right now.
Oh, for the love of it, I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Okay, whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though. So...
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
I bet he's really frightened now. What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
Good, but you've already done that.
Then something crazy.
That's more like it.
Rough, tough, watch your backs! Move, fishlings!
Look at us! We're on a dragon! We're on dragons! All of us!
Every bit the boar-headed, stubborn Viking you ever were.
Fish legs, break it down!
Okay, heavily armored skull and tail made for bashing and crushing. Steer clear of both. Small eyes, large nostrils, relies on hearing and smell.
Okay, left, legs, hang in his blind spot, make some noise, keep it confused. Rough, tough, find out if it has a shot limit. Make it mad.
That's my specialty.
It's wet. Everyone knows I'm more irritating, see?
Just do what I told you. I'll be back as soon as I can. There. Go help the others. Okay, hold on, hold on. You got it, bud.
You certainly are hard to get rid of. I'll say that.
Toothless. Hey. It's me, bud. It's me. It's me. I'm right here, bud. Come back to me.
He's not yours anymore. He belongs to the Alpha. But please, oh great Dragon Master, try to take him. He will not miss a second time.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing
best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Enough!
Yeah! Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there!
What's the tail? Tie those legs up!
Is that what I think it is?
Stop!
Stormfly! What are you doing?
Back again. Soil my britches. That is a night fury. Thought they were all gone for good. Looks like our luck's had a turn for the better, lads. Don't think Drago has one of those in his dragon army.
Dragon army?
Look, we don't want any trouble.
You should have thought of that before you stole all of our dragons and blasted our fort to bits.
Wait,
What are you talking about?
you think we did this?
Dragon trapping is hard enough work as it is, without do-gooder dragon riders sneaking in to rescue them.
What do-gooder? There are other dragon riders?
You mean other than your thieving friend from last night? You tell me. You may have an ice-spitting dragon on your side, but we still have a quota to fill. It's not just anyone who can capture a night fury.
And this is Toothless. He says we're going. Now.
Ha! They all say that. Rush 'em, lads!
Stormfly, come on! Go! Go!
You will never hold on to those dragons, you hear me? Drago is coming for them all!
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now! Not again. Toothless! It's now or never! Come on, bud! Hold on! Yeah! We did it! Hold him there, Toothless. It's all over now.
Or is it?
Challenging the Alpha to protect you!
No! Fight back! Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
The Alpha protects them all. If we want to live in peace with our dragons, we need a better plan.
So, what are you saying, Chief?
I'm saying we have to disappear. Off the map. Take the dragons to a place where no one will find them.
And where might that be?
He's talking about a quest for the hidden world.
The hidden what?
Out to lunch.
Yeah.
My father was obsessed with it when I was a boy. He made notes and maps in search of the ancestral home of all dragons, tucked away somewhere beyond the edge of the world. It may be the solution we need. We are dragon people. It's where we belong. Look, I know this is our home. My father left me to protect it. But Berk is more than this place. We are Berk, the people, the dragons. I say Berk is wherever we go.
I'm with him! Who else?
Perfect timing! Game faces!
Yeah! What are you waiting for? Get in there!
Heads up!
Thanks. Look out!
Thanks. I'm coming, Toothless!
You still think he cares about you? Let's just see who he follows.
I'm sorry, bud, for everything. Now let's go get her. Go on, bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. That's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free. Our world doesn't deserve you. Yet. Go, Toothless. Go. Bud? Remember me?
It's okay.
Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? I'll give you some oil and a little fine tuning.
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Ah,